Hi, my name is Maria Omare, and I am the founder and executive director of the Action Foundation. I started the Action Foundation in 2010 after my experiences interacting with children with disabilities while volunteering at an inclusive sports event at Kenyatta University. I noted the determination, resilience of these children in spite of the immense challenges they face, and I saw that given a fair chance, they can thrive. I stand on the shoulders of several women who believe in my leadership capabilities, and I am thus inspired to give back to younger generation.
My name is Juliet Mwangili. I am the Buka Mentorship Program Officer here at the Action Foundation. One of our goals is to distribute 3,000 dignity kits to girls with disabilities. Our second objective in this goal is to mentor girls with disabilities in life skills on menstrual health and hygiene.
Hi, my name is Juno Mune, the Director of Learning and Impact at the Action Foundation. Girls with disabilities in urban and rural communities face many barriers in accessing education. Key among these barriers is the vulnerability that comes from a lack of access to menstrual health and hygiene products. By providing vulnerable girls with dignity kits, we eliminate the conditions that lead to their vulnerability to exploitation, improve their mental health, and build their confidence, which results in improved educational outcomes. Through our work, we are working on SDG 4 on quality education by eliminating all gender disparities in access to education and ensuring marginalized groups such as girls with disabilities have equal access to education opportunities. In addition, we are contributing to SDG number 5 on gender equality by eliminating violence and other forms of exploitation against women and girls with disabilities.
We are super excited to partner with Handprint because Handprint connects us to individuals and organizations that deeply care about our cause and want to support the dignity of adolescent girls with disabilities. Through using Handprint's platform, this inspires donor confidence because of its transparency and its ability to track impact.
At Handprint, we have a data and impact team that quantifies everything about the project and how relevant the project is to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Our system allocates ownership to every unit of impact, and then we monitor this impact over time. Visit handprint.tech to learn more.